Proportional electric brake controller provides automatic braking based on the intensity and rate at which you apply your tow vehicle's brakes, thanks to an internal inertia sensor. This makes the Tekonsha Voyager brake controller ideal in any braking situation. Easily install thanks to plug-play. The Voyager trailer brake controller has a snap-in dash mounting clip, plug-play port for 2 plug adapters, and removable electrical connector so the unit can be easily unplugged, unclipped, and stored. Easy-to-read indicator. Color LED indicator shows settings, real-time diagnostics, and alerts. Red light means power increase to trailer brakes. Green light means secure connection with trailer. Manual braking available. If you ever need to manually apply the brakes, simply move the manual control lever to the left. The Voyager will apply power to your trailer's brakes up to the amount of power previously set. Versatile. The Voyager electric brake controller is compatible with a wide range of vehicles including Ford, GM, Chevy, Dodge, Ram, Toyota, Jeep, and more with 2, 4, 6, and 8 brakes, 1 to 4 axles. Vehicle-specific Tekonsha plug-play brake controller wiring harness sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Good controller. Used to replace the same model that had lasted 11 years, so it was a simple plug-and-play install. After setup, trailer brakes are working fine again.